Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my .NET workloads on AWS Lambda series. So, in the previous part, which was part 4, we had performed the task 1 and task 2. So, now in this video, we will move ahead and perform the task 3, which is given in the instruction. So I hope you like my content. So do share and subscribe my channel. Most important one, like API URL, that as we are using the API gateway service. So inside that, this API will be responsible. This will be a value. So we need to do some changes. Let's do it. We need to add this code architecture. Like this ARM64 architectures will be displayed. Well, we need to add on line number 20 handler key. Here it is. Net core lambda. We need to how it is given architecture. Okay. Let me do it. This is we need to add. No. I think this will be this will work here. So handler is the architectures which we are using. ARM64. We have done with this part. Now what they are saying on the left, we need to copy the ARN. They have given the ARN role, change the existing role value. Okay, let's go to the template. Yeah, yeah, role is given. We need to view the role. So here, this IAM role is responsible for this web app. So there are different types of roles are created based on the access for the resources. We have added that role and policies. We are not attaching any policies. Let's keep it as null. Save this. So this will be a updated file. Now what we need to do, we need to compile and build. We will close the files which we have done editing. You can close all tabs and we will open only one tab which is required. Go here and we will type. So this is the main startup file. In every .NET project, we get this startup file based on the version. Startup.cs is responsible for running the application. Inside this, we will get the services, which services we are using, which environment it is configured, and also what kind of routing is used, authorization. So each and everything is dependent on the startup file. So startup file is the entry point of the application of the .NET. Okay, now we will choose build and run. If we want to build, let me build this application. Stop. Let me check it once again. So we'll choose and build it. Let me do it once again. Bash command is here. Control B. Control B is used for build. Let me refresh it. We face sometimes error. So here instruction is given like written on the ideally toolbar. We need to choose run and build. Okay, 65 option is getting blurred. Okay, and we need to run. This here C sharp is not given. Let me check what output it will come. Should be saved properly. Once it gets saved, we'll definitely get that. We have done the exactly same. Let me use this command. We need to build this application.